Hey guys, so this week we are live right outside my house looking at paper wasp as our organism of the week. You can hear the toads probably calling, but we're going to focus instead on insects today. I don't know if you can see the wasp, but they are there. I don't want to get too close because some people are afraid of snakes and mice. Even with my crazy animals, I'm a little bit afraid of bees and wasps, but they're all cool. So we're going to start with the basics. So paper wasps get their name because they produce a net. Well, they construct a nest out of paper. The nest is constructed using wood that they chew up. They might get that from trees. They might get that from your deck or from other sources of wood. They might also take other plant matter, and they're going to chew that up and transform that into paper to make their nest. Paper wasp should not be confused with solitary wasp. Yeah, you shouldn't. The colony or the nest is started by a female, the queen. She's the only one that winter's over. Everybody else dies. In the spring, she's going to pick a place to start the nest, and she'll get the ball rolling. She's the only one that lays eggs, and each egg is contained inside of a cell. Unlike bees that put a cap on their cells, paper wasps do not. That was a little bit too close for comfort there. Unfortunately, I'm not about to capture a wasp. So if I don't have a wasp in focus at any given time, you know why. So we've talked about that. The wasp, so a wasp starts off, of course, from an egg. That egg will be fed by the workers. They will gather up various caterpillars and whatnot to feed the queen or the pupa. The workers, like the ones that you see now, are sterile, so they're not going to produce eggs. These guys are the ones that defend the nest. They're the ones that do all of that really, really cool stuff, like making the nest and defending the nest and gathering food for the young. A mature nest will have 20 to 30 adults, which sounds really humongous. And I guess it is. There was a real nice one right on the screen. Hopefully he stays there. So then in late summer, things at the nest will change. The queen is no longer producing eggs. They're going to start focusing on maturing the young. The hive also, since there aren't new babies being produced, the surviving wasp will eventually die for the winter. Wasp, unlike bees, this is all wasp, not just paper wasp, but all wasps can sting multiple times. Again, it's only the females that sting. Males don't have the ovipositor, which is what they use ovipositor, which is what they use to lay eggs with. So yeah, so that's a little bit about paper wasp. And of course, there are two types of wasp. There are solitary wasp, which we will talk about later. Thank you and goodbye. Don't forget to rate, to like my video if you like it. Leave a comment or question and click that notification bell. Bye.